Hi everyone, and welcome to the tutorial on how to install additional Python packages into your Jupyter notebook, where you may be getting a OS error when you make this attempt. So we're going to work in my group today. So I'm in my group, my project, my Pawsey username, and I've got my .slm file here as per the creating a Jupyter notebook on Topaz or on Pawsey tutorial. I'm going to vim that file. I should see my account name here, all my specifications, and we're going to make some changes to this file so that we can install. So I'm going to work install Python packages. So I'm going to work in the Jupyter in my group. So I'm going to make that change there and colon WQ shift colon WQ exclamation mark out of there. You can see I've already got my Jupyter there, so I've built my .sif file, which you'll be able to see. So I've got this already built. And let's go in back into my group. Let's run Jupyter GPU, see what's going on here. And now if I cat my slurm output, I can SSH from my local computer. So from my local computer, I've just SSH'd with the command. I'm in two tabs here in my terminal. One is Pawsey, one is my local computer. And now I can copy and paste a link from the Slurm output into my browser. And I will go to this test Jupyter notebook here. I'm going to check with pip list what I have available, what I have installed. So if you look, I do not have Gensim, which is what I'm really after. So I'm going to try and install it within the notebook, and I should see an error. So I'm getting this OS error. I want to see it here in my list of Python packages and dependencies. So I'm just going to exit out of this here. And I'm going to cancel that job. Okay, and my slurm out. Okay. So now I'm going to go back into the .slm script, and I'm going to make some more changes. So what I'm going to do here is go to the bottom of the file, and I'm going to make some adjustments. So where I've got dir here, I'm going to put my group. I'm going to remove the joyvan part, and then, sorry, my group typo. And same again here, my group, or my scratch rather, I'm going to do here. And I'm going to go for the home /home again. So now I should see my group, my scratch, no typos. And that is the final change I'm going to make. So now I can press escape, shifting colon together, WQ, and exclamation mark to get out of there. And I'm going to sbatch this Slurm file again. run my job. So now I'm going to cd into Jupyter, and I'm going to module load Singularity. Next, I'm going to create a fake host or use a fake host for my additional Python packages in my Jupyter notebook. And this is going to be my group :/home. And then following this, I'm going to have the name of my CIF, which I'll just use *.cif pip install gensim, and enter. And you should see that it has, in fact, successfully installed. I already had Ginsem on this fake host here, so let's maybe try with NLTK. We've already got that. How about torch info? Okay, great. So we've got torch info, which we've successfully installed to our fake host directory here. And now we're going to go back into running our Slurm script. I'm going to look for the output here. Okay, I did have a previous SSH tunnel, so I'm going to kill that there. I have the same specification here from the previous script, so that's no issues. And then I'm going to now SSH back into Topaz from my local terminal window here. And now I can open up in a browser. And I should be able to see that I have not only torch info, but also gensim and NLTK. So gensim, NLTK, and torch info. So there we have. Now we have those Python packages installed in our Jupyter notebook. So thanks for watching this tutorial, and I hope this helps you out with your project.